Alright guys, I'm in a construction site. It's actually pretty cool. I've been on here before when early start. It's hot. So we're gonna go look around. We're not gonna go too far because they already built a neighborhood. Got that. And over here it's all dirt, the forest. Ugh. It's hard. I'm just hearing stuff. Alright, I'm gonna go. Because it's Sunday right now, the workers aren't working, and what's better to be bored than be on a construction site? Enough talking, let's get to this. It's actually pretty awesome. Alright, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a look around. Workers aren't working, so yeah. I can't go too far though, because holy crap! They're starting to build the road. The road's really back there, but they're starting to build the road over here. Construction, construction, construction. The road. Oh my god, that is so awesome. Guys, they've been building this since like early 2019. Like when I was in 5th grade. And I'm going into 6th grade. So more than a year, I think. It is really cool. I don't know what that is. Bang. You got trampoline, hammock. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, the road's right there. It's leading all the way to that neighborhood, which I don't think it's in Highland Creek. I remember them building this. I remember that. I saw them build. It's hard. I remember them building this. I remember that. We went in it. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys something. This used to be a creek. Now it's completely changed. Hopefully. I don't know. I want to see. Yep. So that's from hurricane. I don't know what it was. Tornado. My bad. Tornado. And then the creek. This used to be all dirt. No grass whatsoever. Gosh. 2 trees from the tornado earlier this year. 4 of them. Guys, this is awesome. Whoops. But yeah. Alright, for just the sake of this video, you know what I'm gonna do? I might touch it. I don't know, because they have cameras and all that, and I don't know if I'm allowed to actually sit in it physically. So all I'm gonna do is touch it 4 times and go. That one right there. But yeah. So the next video, I'll actually make a part 2 going into the creek. I just don't want to because, I have no shoes on. What if there were snakes? So yeah, and it has to be next Sunday or tomorrow when they leave, because I can't just walk up and go in the creek. So yeah, it's really cool. Dude, they made an awesome improvement. If anybody's watching this and who's a worker, good job. And this is especially the tough times you guys have been through with family and all that. So it's hard. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. That's enough. I'll make a part 2 tomorrow or tonight. But tonight I might go ding dong ditching, so I don't know. I'm actually, before I go, I'm gonna check over here. I know it's really nothing, but come on, why not? Ow. Yeah, this is all grass, guys. I cannot wait to see the road. The road's like halfway done. This used to be all trees. But it's still kind of sad because when they were starting to build this, they were taking down trees one morning before school, and I got pissed off because I like climbing trees and all that and love going in the forest. The saddest thing was, oh, it's a little footprint. Sad thing, I saw a raccoon, no joke, raccoon fly from the forest like it was nothing. It just left, and it had a home there. So that was like extremely sad. And I'm sorry I'm talking a lot, not exploring, but it's. I mean, they've done a great job with the place, I guess. But why here? Why not in a land where it doesn't have trees and animals living in it? I mean, like, come on. Seriously? Is that what you gotta do? Alright, actually might. Huh. Yeah, we played in this area. Alright, yeah, that's it. Ooh, please don't be snakes. That's all I gotta say. Ooh. It's actually really, really beautiful. See, before that, there was this plastic tube that I slid down in. No joke, I swear to God. This is all trees and grass and meadows. Really beautiful. I'll have to go. I'll make a part 2 either tonight or tomorrow after they leave. Bye, guys.